Imagine starting your own business today with absolutely no money. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. In fact, there are 4 simple business ideas you can launch today with $0 in your pocket. Stay tuned to learn how you can turn your skills into a profitable business without spending a dime. Let's dive right in. Scene changes to a calmer setting where you are speaking directly to the camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more business tips that can help you take control of your financial future. Today, I'm going to show you 4 business ideas that are so easy to start. You won't even need to reach into your wallet. That's right, $0 needed. Sounds too good to be true? Let's jump right in, and I'll explain how. Idea 1. Freelance services. Writing, graphic design, virtual assistants. Cut to footage of someone working on a laptop at a coffee shop, then to a computer screen showing websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Freelance services. This one is all about using the skills you already have to make money. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or maybe data entry? You can offer these services to clients all over the world. And the best part? It costs you nothing to get started. There are platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, where you can set up a profile for free. Create a compelling description of your services and start bidding on jobs. With just a little effort, you'll be able to land your first client in no time. The key here is consistency. Start small, deliver excellent work, and your clients will start coming back and referring you to others too. Idea 2. Social media management. A person scrolling through social media platforms, then a split screen showing someone managing multiple accounts for clients. The second idea is becoming a social media manager. If you're already active on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, then you've got the perfect skill set to start a business. Many small businesses or individuals need help managing their social media accounts, but don't have the time or expertise. You can step in, help them schedule posts, engage with followers, and create content. Getting started is as easy as reaching out to local businesses or friends who need help. You don't need any fancy tools at the beginning. Just use the platforms that are already available to you. Idea 3. Teaching or coaching. Online tutoring, fitness, music lessons. Scene. A teacher giving an online lesson, or someone demonstrating a fitness routine via video call. If you have any expertise in a subject, skill, or hobby, you can teach or coach others online. Whether it's tutoring kids in math or offering fitness coaching via Zoom, the possibilities are endless. You don't need a big fancy setup to get started. Just a phone or a laptop, and you're good to go. Sites like Preply, Wisent, or even Facebook groups can help you connect with people who are looking for online lessons. You can start offering sessions in your free time and scale it up as you gain more clients. Plus, you can set your own rates. Idea 4. Affiliate marketing scene. Person browsing online stores and clicking on affiliate links. Lastly, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This one is a game changer for anyone who loves recommending products online. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale made through your link. You don't need any inventory, no upfront costs, and you don't even need to handle the customer service. All you have to do is share your affiliate links on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Companies like Amazon, ShareASale, and Commission Junction offer affiliate programs that are free to join. The key to affiliate marketing is trust. Your followers will buy based on your recommendations, so always promote products you genuinely like or believe in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little business inspiration. And hey, drop a comment below. Tell me which business idea you're most excited to try. And if you want more tips on growing your business, make sure to check out my free guide in the description below. It's packed with actionable steps to help you get started.